Good morning, children. In this video, you will learn about Adobe Photoshop. Let's come to know what is Photoshop. Photoshop CC from Adobe is one of the most popular photo editing, image creation and graphic design software. It is used to correct defects in a photograph. For example, correcting brightness or contrast, and to give interesting effects like changing the background. Let's learn some features of Adobe Photoshop first, then we will start learning how to work in Photoshop. Irrespective of whichever version of Photoshop you may be using, the features given below are common. New versions bring new tools, but the basic ones remain the same across all the versions. Now, the first is layers. Layers permit the user to draw or design various parts of the image independently in different layers and stack them one over the other. Thus, if there is any mistake, only that specific layer has to be rectified and not the complete canvas. You can see this is the layer window. Now, selection tools. Selection tools let the user select a part of the image in different ways. For example, selecting an area in the shape of a polygon or selecting adjacent areas with the same color. At the left side, you can see the selection tools is given. Now the next is pen tool. Pen tool lets the user draw any shape or edit an existing shape as in a freehand drawing. You can see at the left, pen tool is given. Now the next is shapes. You can see at the right side of your computer screen, you are having different types of shapes. Shapes permit the user to work on objects without losing the original quality. Without this feature, the shapes will get pixelated, grainy when enlarged. Thus, this feature helps to maintain the quality of the image. Now, Adobe Photoshop Vector Mask. Vector mask helps mask any portion of an object using shades of gray. Once this mask is done, the area of the object under the mask disappears. You can see these are the vector mask. Now the sixth is slice tool. Slice tool helps designers to snip the images into slices so that the loading time of a website can be reduced greatly. You can see slice tool is this shape. Now the next is retouching tools. Retouching tools are used to repair flaws in a photo. They reduce the time-consuming manual work to a few clicks and drags. You can see these are the retouching tools. Now the eighth one is Photoshop 3D. Photoshop 3D helps user directly import any 3D object front the cloud and from then modify it according to the requirements. This feature has been introduced from CS6 onwards. This is the window where your 3D shape will look like. Now, smart objects. Smart objects intelligently remembers the data of an image file and restore its data to the original form after resizing it to any size. On the right side, you can see these are smart objects, layer 0 copy and layer 0. Now the last but not least, Adobe Creative Cloud. Creative Cloud, a feature introduced in Photoshop CC, lets you download the latest updates. In addition, you can save any image on the Adobe Cloud and later on access it anywhere from any computer. So children, learn about these features. Watch this video again and again. Have a nice day. Take care. Good morning children. In this video,